Do you know how to check if someone is stealing your Wi-Fi? I'm Kurt the CyberGuy here to tell you what harm someone could do by hacking into your Wi-Fi network, plus the steps you need to follow to kick them off. Have you noticed your Wi-Fi slowing down, or are you worried about neighbors or a potential hacker getting into your network to steal your internet? You should be. No matter how benign it may seem for someone else to use your Wi-Fi network, it is never good. Your connection slows down anytime a new device starts using it. So if someone is using your Wi-Fi to stream a movie or for gaming, for example, you're gonna have a way slower network. Also, you pay good money for that Wi-Fi, so how do you check if someone is stealing it? This first step works if you have 5 or fewer devices connected to your Wi-Fi. You can do it with more, but the more devices you unplug, the more hassle it is to log them back in. First, try unplugging and disconnecting all your devices that are connected to your Wi-Fi. That means turning off Wi-Fi on your phone, computer, tablet, and then unplugging things like Alexa. If your router is still flickering lights as if there is activity, even though you've unplugged everything, someone may still be using your network. Another way to check is to log onto your router and check the activity. Look at the back of your physical router and follow the steps on the bottom or back of it to log in or log into your network's app or website if there is one. You'll be able to see which devices you don't recognize and remove them from your network. You can also use an app to detect devices on your network. This is a third-party option you can use on both iOS and Android phones, and it'll scan your Wi-Fi network and then show you if other devices are sharing it. I do this all the time. For more information, head to cyberguy.com/privacy and sign up for my free newsletter.